It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 1st of June. I'm James Spann. This is the beginning of meteorological summer and the beginning of the Atlantic hurricane season. And it's still warm and muggy, and we'll still deal with a few showers and storms later today. Hey, that's kind of standard for this time of the year. Check it out. There is an upper low northwest of the state over the southeastern corner of Missouri. And that feature will be drifting east, and as it moves to the east, we think later this week, conditions will be trending drier here. Starting off the day in the 60s, we'll expect a high in the 80s again today. Hey, look up north. I see frost and freeze warnings on this first day of June for parts of the upper Great Lakes. Goodness. Other than that, things are relatively quiet. We had some flooding issues yesterday around New York City and Philadelphia. And the good news for our friends over in Oklahoma and Texas, they're going to be trending drier this week. Convective outlook for today, there is a marginal severe weather risk for almost all of Alabama except the northwestern corner of the state. And like yesterday, the main issue, gusty winds, heavy rain, a lot of lightning. There's a standard slight risk for parts of Montana in some of the adjacent states. That's a sign it's June. Tomorrow, the southeastern part of Alabama in a marginal risk as the upper low moves east. The more organized showers and storms move east with it. And up north, an enhanced severe weather risk for parts of the Dakotas. And on day 3, the marginal risk is mainly east of Alabama. It just includes the far southeastern counties of the state. And again, there's an enhanced severe weather risk for parts of the southern plains. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days. Heavier totals on the eastern side of the state. Really, by tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, the better chance of rain will be east of I-65. Amounts there around 1 inch. Lighter amounts to the west. And yes, indeed, hurricane season is here. And on this first day of the season for the Atlantic Basin, things are quiet. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. And the GFS kind of depicts a shortwave trough axis west of the state. And down below that, again, we'll see probably a number of showers and storms around. Still not going to rain everywhere, but most of you will see rain a time or two today. This is the high-res HRRR at 6 o'clock this evening, suggesting the better chance of showers at that point should be along and south of Interstate 59. And the high today should be at or just over 80. Tomorrow, again, the upper feature is drifting east, and the better chance of showers and storms, more than likely, will be shifting into the east and southeast part of the state. Now, the chance of rain is not zero for Tuscaloosa and the Shoals, but it will be smaller there. And the same thing Wednesday. The northern and western counties are trending drier. The better chance of showers down there in southeast Alabama. And with an increasing amount of sunshine, we'll expect mid-80s, and the same thing Thursday. East Alabama with a better chance of showers, and Friday looks relatively dry. And we're not saying there's no chance of rain if you're in West Alabama, but again, the better chance of a shower Friday will more than likely be pretty far to the east, maybe near the Georgia border. So clearly, most of the state trending drier after today. And those of you in West Alabama might see a couple of days without rain. Same thing for Saturday. Looks pretty dry. Upper 80s, a good supply of sunshine. Any showers, few and far between. We note a tropical feature around the Bahamas. Sunday, that feature is lifting northeast out into the open water. And moisture increases Sunday, and that suggests we could see an increase in shower and thunderstorm activity on Sunday. So looking at the weekend, it looks like the better coverage of showers and storms will be on Sunday. And a week from today, look at the troughing here. We'll take that. Understand, we're in June. We can see these nasty upper highs and heat waves, but not in a pattern like that. Down below that, the air's kind of soupy and moist and have a chance of showers and storms with a high in the 80s. Into the forecast, middle of next week, Wednesday, June 10th, we've still got broad troughing over the east, maybe a frontal boundary north of the state, and again, highs in the 80s with some risk of scattered showers and storms. Temperatures off the ensembles, highs mostly in the 80s, maybe touching 90 a couple of days, lows mostly in the 60s, but those numbers aren't too bad for this time of the year. And temperatures, based on this outlook from the CPC, and this is valid June 8th through June 14th, pretty close to average here. Below average for the southern plains, above average out there in the western states. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.